Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a Technology Solutions Specialist here at the Barcode Warehouse. Welcome to our Innovation and Customer Experience Centre. We invite businesses like yours to come and see the latest and greatest technology available, tailored to your challenges. Today we'll be looking at misconceptions around RFID and how it might be stopping you from unlocking its potential for your business. RFID has come a long way. Businesses across industries are realising its power in driving efficiency, improving visibility, and ultimately boosting profitability. So, let's set the record straight as we debunk 3 common myths. RFID is not outdated, RFID is not too expensive, and RFID is not too difficult to install. Common misconceptions is that RFID is outdated technology. While RFID has been around since the late 1990s, that doesn't mean it's obsolete. In fact, adoption is accelerating because businesses now see its true potential. The global RFID market is expected to grow by an average of 11.5% year over year, reaching a value of $41 billion by 2032. And in healthcare alone, RFID adoption is surging, with an estimated 17% annual growth between 2023 and 2032. Because RFID has evolved, modern RFID tags now offer enhanced capabilities like temperature and moisture sensing, dual frequency functionality, and even LED indicators. More businesses are realising that RFID provides real-time visibility. Another concern we hear is cost. Many assume that RFID is just too expensive to implement, but that's just not the case anymore. The price of RFID tags has dropped by 80% in recent years, making implementation far more affordable than ever before. Here's what really matters, that's the return on investment. Studies show that RFID solutions can deliver a positive ROI in just 2 years. And that's because RFID has led to massive improvements in efficiency and accuracy. Businesses have also achieved 200% sales volume uplift, increased inventory accuracy up to 99%, 4% reduction in staff costs, and 75% reduction in budgeted staff audit costs. Staff operations are much quicker and easier with RFID. For example, stock checks take minutes instead of hours, having a knock-on effect of reducing errors and increasing productivity, which ultimately contributes to improved ROI. So yes, there is an upfront investment. When you see these results within 2 years, you can see why so many people are making the switch. And finally, let's talk about installation. And many businesses assume that RFID is far too complicated to implement, but that's why we're here, to help you out. At the Barcode Warehouse, we have some of the best RFID experts in the industry. We don't just provide the technology, we help you every step of the way. We assess your specific needs, recommend the best RFID solutions, develop a tailored plan, and implement everything with minimal disruption. And it doesn't stop there. We also provide ongoing support to ensure your RFID system continues running smoothly. Still not sure if RFID is a right fit for you? Well, the best way to see its potential is to experience it firsthand. We'll show you RFID in action and explore how it can transform your business operations.